What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Random dog just walked straight up in my garage. What's up, bud? What you looking for? You looking for some horsepower? Huh? What you looking for? All right, get down. Anyways, we're gonna head down to Summit Racing. I got a local store here about 45 minutes away. Vengeance Racing's hosting a LS swapped only meet, so we're gonna take the car down there since it is LS swapped and let people check it out and check out some other cars probably, and you know, get some footage of that and buy a couple parts while we're there. But we'll catch you on the road. I think the horsepower scared him away. We gotta stop and get some gas, and we're gonna run this thing through the car wash as well, since it's a little bit dirty. And I don't really care about the paint because it's not rough, but it's not the greatest of paint. So we'll run it through the automatic car wash, get it shined up just a hair. Also got to stop for some food. Oh, waffle. So Waffle House was delicious, but we're waiting on my buddy Devin to get here with his Turbo Buick. It's a beautiful car. It's a nice, pretty, I call it like a blue-green. Waiting on him to get here. He's gonna ride down to the show with us. He needs to pick up some stuff at Summit, so he's gonna ride out with us. But I'll show you his car when he gets here, hopefully. There he is. Finally got here. Car. It's all, well, mostly original. I mean, it's got a built motor in it, but it's a good looking car, man. I gotta give him credit. But we're gonna get back on the road. Tunnel. We're going to have to get a little rev to it. See what it sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good. 3-inch Flowmaster sound damn good in a tunnel. Well, we here. Summit's to the right of me here. I'll get some video of it, but there's Summit. Well, we here at Summit Motorsports, Summit Racing. Check out this meet. So we're gonna look at some cars.
Bye.
That's probably my favorite one here, but that's because I like Chevelles, and my brother's got one, so. But yeah, it's definitely my favorite. You know I like G-Butters too. Okay, I take it back. This might be my favorite one.
This time is sick. And Hershey's. Well, somebody's name.
Also like that too.
All right, everybody.
Alright, that was probably my favorite truck of the whole show, but that's it. That's it from some. Well, we're gonna get back on the road and get back to the house. That's gonna be all for this video. Y'all know the message. If you ain't on the brake, you better be on the skinny pedal. We out of here.